Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That was the weirdest thing. I went,
hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
So today I filmed my go-to basic bitch hairstyles.
Yes then.
Because you guys have been all asking me how I do my hair for probably the longest time, and have all been asking me for a hairstyles video. I did one absolutely ages ago, but it's disgusting and not cute.
So I wouldn't recommend watching it.
But this is how I do my hair. Basically, I do my hair every day. I hardly ever just leave it down. Sometimes I do, but hardly ever. And if I leave it down, I'll put those little clips in it. Like if you follow me on my Instagram, you know I always have something going on in my hair, basically. So you guys just wanted to know what I do with it, and this is normally what I do. So if you want to see how I do my go-to hairstyles, how many times can I say do? Like seriously. Then that's what today's video is, so get excited, yes. Before you watch it, remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you are new here, turn on the post notification bell as well. That way you don't miss any of me. That is not what I was supposed to say. That way you don't miss any of my uploads. And if you want to see more of my face, follow me on my social medias. They are in the description box. And without further ado, let's get on with me doing my hair. This is one of them, so if you want to know how to get this hair, keep on watching in the video. By the way, I'm sorry if I didn't explain these very well. I'm not that good at hair. Okay, disclaimer, keep watching, bye. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of hungry while filming this. Like, it's 12 o'clock and I haven't had breakfast all lunch. We're gonna go with it. What we need is a hair...
Oh, that is disgusting.
A hairbrush, some bobby pins, clear elastics,
Which I've just realised I've basically completely run out of, but hopefully I have some more over there.
and then some hair bands as well. Oh, and also hair extensions if you want to use them. For the first ones, we're not using them. Yeah, so all of you guys always want to know how I do my hair, so here it is. This is like freshly washed. I washed it last night. This is my natural hair, guys. Disgusting.
I know.
For this first hairstyle, I'm gonna face this way for a lot of it because my mirror's over here and it's easier this way. For this first hairstyle, it is like
Really complicated. I don't think any of you guys will be able to do it, honestly. Like, I'm just skilled like that.
what we're gonna do is flip our head over. I'm aware I'm out of frame, but like you guys know how to flip your head. And then pull your hair up like so.
Ew, I just realised I haven't got any earrings in. That's disgusting.
And then we can pull out these, scrunch it up a little bit, and we have a messy pony.
Hey.
Look, this is the chunk of my hair that's snapped off, so let's not look at this. That was hairstyle number 1.
Now let's move on to hairstyle number 2.
Flower, gleam and glow, let your power shine. Make the clock reverse, bring back what was once mine, what was once mine. Right, I'm done with that. Once again, flip it over. Same thing, but we're gonna go 1 and stop halfway, then we're gonna do the same and stop and just keep sort of... It makes it like messier, and then I just pull these down like a lot, make it really loose. Here is my messy bun. Emma Chamberlain who?
Never heard of her.
I think with this one, like the messier the better, to be honest, so do as you please, really. Those are those ones. I don't think you guys really cared about those. I think it's more how I actually would normally style my hair. That is like if I'm lazy and my hair really just ain't cooperating for a day, you guys want what I actually post on Instagram. So let's have a little look. What I do is take a chunk of hair, not very big, about that big, and then I'm just gonna clip this back whilst I section the other side, just so that it's out of the section. So that's not middle, so I'm just gonna make it in the middle. There we go. We'll do this side first. What I'm gonna do is just take like a triangular section from the front of my ear up towards my crown, I guess. Maybe that much, yeah, that much will do. Then you grab a clear elastic and you just want to pull. Ugh, this is hard. I find it so hard to do these on camera, but like normally this would take me like 5 minutes, honestly. I'm sweating in here. 1. Now we're gonna do the same on this side. It doesn't have to be exact. It's not supposed to be perfect. You can leave it like this in little pigtails and it looks cute. And like this, I'll normally put these into it as well, so it's sort of scraped back. This is my hair in this style. When I do it like this, I don't normally leave it in pigtails. I just thought I'd show you guys it like that. I'm going to wrap it into little space buns and then just grab...
Oh, I dropped one on the floor. Oh no.
Oh no. And then just grab a couple of bobby pins and pin them in. And just make it look sort of like as neat or messy. I'm gonna leave mine like that. Oh, that ain't looking cute, okay. I always find it harder to do this side. And this is my little, how I do my half up, half down space buns. When I do this, sometimes, if you want, you can grip in hair extension. I'm not gonna do this very neatly because I'll have to take them out in a minute. And also my hair extensions are curled and my hair isn't curled, so these are gonna look cute.
Sarcasm.
I'm doing this really roughly, so if you guys can see them.
That's not going to be surprising. You can normally see my hair extensions when I go out.
So yeah, that is the hairstyle. I love this hairstyle. I wear it all the time. It's probably like my go-to, I would say. I feel like my hairstyles are very basic and people don't really realize that. I want to show you guys this hairstyle that I haven't done recently, but I used to do all the time.
And I don't know if I remember how to do it.
I'm gonna braid my hair basically. So I'm gonna take 3 small sections from the top of my head and I'm gonna try and braid them quite tightly. That is too big. The smaller the sections, the tighter it's gonna be. I am not very good at this,
but I try my best.
Just like pull it quite tight. And I'm braiding under, so this is a Dutch braid. I'm sweating over here. So yeah, what you want to do is take one and put it under the middle, add a little bit of hair to it, and then here's the middle one. Grab it, grab the extra hair and put it under. Work these down. We're not joining it to the head anymore. We're just braiding these 3. So this might be easier to show you guys how to actually braid. So take it and then just put it under, and then take it like under the middle, and then just do it in alternations. This is one done. This is very tight at the bottom and I don't like it being that tight, so I'm just gonna loosen it at the bottom a little bit. And now let's do the other side. I told you I'm worse at braiding this side. It's like sticking out weirdly. So I'm gonna secure it here. And this is this one. This is probably like one of my favorites.
I have to undo these braids and braid my hair again.
I want to show you guys this hairstyle, but I don't know if it's going to go as I planned because I haven't done it in a very long time. We shall see. Okay, basically I'm trying to do a waterfall braid and I used to do them all the time. 1, 2, 3. And you want to go over and then over, pick up more, and then take this one over, this one over, this one, drop out. If my sections were cleaner, it would look a lot better.
But they weren't.
So I know I didn't explain that very well, but basically you just sort of have to like pick up one and then drop the top one. But before you drop it, you have to loop another one from the bottom end, if you know what I'm saying. I am going to go ahead and unclip these and I'm going to show you guys kind of an easy one.
So basically I am going dizzy because I haven't eaten and I am braiding in front of a camera and I need a braid.
But we're going to do double Dutch braids. So just braid it in the same way how I've been showing you to braid. I think these ones look way cuter when they are Dutch and not French, but that is a personal thing. Add more hair as you go. Basically the Dutch braids stick out of your head and then the French braids go in on your head is the only difference. What we are going to do is we're going to stop here, grab all of this hair on this side and just take it into a pigtail at the bottom of your head, just like that.
My eyesight's going really weird. I think I need to eat something.
And then what I also like to do with something like this is I have these things, you can just get them from Amazon. They're just like little diamantes on the end of clips and it looks so extra and cute. Just poke these into your hair if you want to be extra like me. Try and get them not to show, but if they do show, I don't really mind that much.
That's me. I feel like a lot of other people would mind, but I don't really mind.
This is the hairstyle. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is take out elastic and I'm gonna try and save this braid and just braid the whole way down. So just braid down, basically just continuing, because I doubt you guys will do what I did and just try and pick up. You guys will do this as a full-on hairstyle. Yeah, just keep going down basically. I love how it looks with like my highlights, because like the dark parts sort of come through.
I don't know, I think it looks cool.
Why does that look longer than this side?
Oh my god, wait, one side of my hair is longer than the other.
This part is longer than this part. I'm dead. Okay, and this is hairstyle number
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I think this might actually be the last hairstyle that I'm going to show you guys. I'm not going to lie, because I've done 8. I mean, I do have other ones that I do, but they're basically just like follow-ups from these. So like, if you know how to do these, you'll be able to do the other ones basically. I think that's it for the video.
I did show you guys 8, right?
Tell me if I counted that wrong and I'm sorry. But that is 8 hairstyles. I mean, I could do 10, but like, outro time. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new here. Turn on my post notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my uploads. I know you guys have been asking me for this video for so long, so I finally did it. I did actually try to film it a couple times before, but it did not go as I planned. So that's always fun. That's always fun. I'm not a professional hairstylist. I'm not claiming to be. This is just how I do my hair. But yeah, that's it for today's video, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.